Good morning children. Jai Hind. Welcome to computer class. Children, in the last class we have discussed chapter number 7 till page number 78. So, in today's class we are going to start our chapter number 7 from page number 79. In the last class we have discussed about three options, three commands: new, save and open. So in today's class we are going to discuss them one by one in detail. So let's read first and then I'm going to tell you how to apply these commands on the TuxPaint also. So let's start reading. First one is new. New command opens a new drawing canvas. When new option is clicked from toolbar, various colors are displayed as shown below. Any color can be selected from the options given by clicking on the desired color. Dobo double-clicked on green color and got the following screen. By default, drawing canvas is of white color. So firstly we are going to read the commands and then I'll give a demo how to take a new page by choosing different colors and different options. So next is your page number 80. Activity is there on this page, but you need to do this activity with the help of a drawing teacher, which is not possible right now. So we are not going to do this activity right now. Let's continue the reading. Dobo created a beautiful drawing and wanted to save it. He clicked on the save button of toolbar. Now we are going to discuss our second command, that is save. Save command is used for saving a file. Whatever we draw in TuxPaint, we can save the work by clicking on save option from the left toolbar. Dobo wanted to show his drawing to his father. Dobo: Father, I created few drawings today using TuxPaint. Father: That's wonderful. Show me your drawings. Dobo: I saved them but don't know how to view the saved drawings. Dobo: Let me help you. Click on open option of the toolbar. Now we are going to discuss our third option, that is open. This command is used to open an already existing file. When open option is clicked, we get the following screen. It displays all the pictures which were created and saved on the computer. We can open the desired picture by double-clicking on it. Always remember, you can only open a previously saved file. Dobo opened the picture drawn by him to show to his father. Dobo's mother called them for dinner. Now I am going to tell you how to use these options, these commands on the TuxPaint: new, save and open. So let's see how it works. Children, let's see how these three options work on TuxPaint. So this is our TuxPaint window and let me draw some shapes first. So I have taken filled shape. So I have taken red color and a pentagon filled one, and now I am going to make a star. So suppose you have made your drawing and you want to take a new page. This is your new option. Click on this new button and you will get this list of colors, and it has some predefined pictures also in which you can fill the colors and you can add more things in it. So you can choose any one from this, but if you want to make your own drawing, you need to take a colored or a white background. Suppose I have clicked yellow, and it will ask that you want to save your previous file. If you want to save it, click on save. If you don't want to save it, click on no. So this is our new page because I have taken yellow background, so my page is yellow. Now again I am going to take a new page and I'll choose white background. So this is my new page with white background. Let me draw few things on it and I'll tell you how to save a file now. So this is your save option, and see here the message is coming, your image has been saved. So as you know, in MS Paint you need to give a name and location also you need to give. So in TuxPaint no need to give any name and location, it will directly save your file. And when we'll click on open, it will show you your saved file here. So as you can see, our saved file is here. So let's add few more things in it. So I'm going to make one more shape like this, and again we'll click on save. So now he is asking, do you want to replace your file? Let me show you. Now when we are going to save this file with the changes, again we want to save a file with the changes. So two options are here, replace the old one or save a new file. So it's up to you. If you want to replace the old one and you want only this picture, so you click on yes. But if you want that your previous picture should also be there and this should also be there, so click on no, save a new file. So I am also clicking on no, save a new file, and see it has been saved, and a click sound you can listen. So now see, our both saved files are here, one the old one and the one with the changes also. So this way you can save your files. And we have discussed the new page also. We have also discussed how to open a file. So to open any file, you need to click on the open button, which is here, and it is highlighted also. When you will click on the open, your saved files will come here. Whatever files you have saved, you will get a list of those files only. Now when you are done with your things and you want to close the TuxPaint, you want to exit from the TuxPaint, so here you will get the option of quit. You will not get a cross button here. As you can see in the top right corner, there is no cross button. You need to click on the quit option. So when you click on the quit option, two options will come. Do you really want to quit? Yes, I am done, or no, take me back. Means if you have pressed this button by mistake, you will click on no. But if you really want to quit TuxPaint, you will click on yes. So we'll click on yes, I am done, and our TuxPaint window will get close. So this way you can use these three options: new, save, and open. Now let's continue our reading from page number 81. Father is saying, Dobo, do not forget to switch off your machine. Dobo, quit Tux Paint before you shut down your computer. So children, I have already shown you how to close the Tux Paint by clicking on the quit option. So on the next page they are discussing about the quit option. So let's read it one time. When we are done with our work and wish to exit Tux Paint, then we must click on quit option from the toolbar. Following screen will be displayed. So as I have shown you that we'll get two options. One is yes, I am done, and the second will be no, take me back. So if you want to quit the Tux Paint, click on yes, I am done. So your Tux Paint window will get closed. So we have discussed four options: new, save, open and quit. Practically also we have seen the use of these four options. Now on page number 82 there is a last assessment activity in which you need to draw this picture in your Tux Paint. So if you are having a Tux Paint, means in your laptop or on your desktop, you can try this picture and you can do this assessment activity. But if you are not having a laptop or desktop, it's okay. Leave it as it is. We will do it in the labs only. So this was about chapter number 7. We will start new chapter in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.